Students, now we are going to start our class 10th English, first unit memory poem Life. Before enter the lesson, we talk about our common life. Life is a game, play it. Sometimes we get success, at the time we get happy. Sometimes we get failure, at the time we get sad. In our life, we get success and failure, ups and downs, turns and twists. Nobody knows what will happen in future. So our life is full of secrets. But our poet hopes that every turn in his life journey will be the best. He thinks positive life only. Now we are going to see a poem Life by Henry Van Dyke. About the poet. About the poet, Henry Van Dyke was an American author, poet, educator, and clergyman. He served as a professor of English literature at Princeton University between 1899 and 1923. He was elected to the American Academy of Arts and Letters and received many other honors. Sonnet is derived from the Italian word sonetto, which means a little song or small lyric in poetry. A sonnet has 14 lines and is written in iambic pentameter. Each and every line has 10 syllables. The first 8 lines of sonnet is known as octava and the last 6 lines is known as sestet. Sonnets can be categorized on the basis of their rhyme scheme. Glossary unreluctant. The person who is willing to do something. Example, you are willing to study English. Mourning, expressing great sadness. Dim past, unhappy or unpleasant past experience. For example, yesterday your parents scolded you. Veils, cover or hide. Toll, fee. Cheer, happy. Crown, prize. Kissed, church. Points to remember. The poet wants to lead a joyful life. He neither wants to hurry nor moves away from his goal. He does not want to mourn for the things that he had lost. He does not hold back for fear of the future. His happy heart travels cheerfully from the youth and old age. He does not care for the hurdles in his life. He seeks new friendship, high adventure, and a crown. He wants to keep the courage of Christ. He hopes that every turn in his life journey will be the best. Life poem is the memory poem, so you study and write test. Thank you, students. Now I read and explain the active first 8 lines. Let me but live my life from year to year with forward face and underlocked soul, not hurrying to, not turning from the goal, not mourning for the things that disappear in the dim past, nor holding back in fear from what the future veils, but with a whole and happy heart that pays its toll to youth and age and travels on with cheer. Now I explain. The poet wants to live his life joyful and enjoyful. He is willing to do something. The poet does not want to mourn the things he has lost, not to hold back for fear of the future. But the poet prefers to live his life with a whole and happy heart, which cheerfully travels from youth to old age. The poet does not worry about the past and future life. Now I read and explain the sestet next 6 lines. So let the way wind up the hill or down over rough or smooth, the journey will be joy. Still seeking what I sought when but a boy. New friendship, high adventure, and a crown. My heart will keep the courage of the quest and hope the road's last turn will be the best. Now I explain. Therefore, it does not matter to him whether the path goes up or down, the hill rough or smooth, the journey will be looking forward. The poet will continue to seek what he wanted as a boy, new friendship, high adventure, and a crown. Crown means prize. His heart will remain courageous in order to pursue his desires. The poet hopes that every turn in his life journey will be the best.